Trip Chaudhary is joining us on the phone line right now. Trip, good morning. Good to have you with us on Infosys Day as always. What's your first reaction to the Infi results and the guidance which has been raised, the lower end of the guidance which has been raised?
I think these numbers are welcome news because last quarter also they came with good numbers, and this is the second quarter in succession where the numbers are impressive, considering the backdrop in which the global economy is. So I think there are two things to focus on. Number one, the management reshuffles that Narayana Murthy did. And secondly, there is, at least in selected areas of technology where there is an uptick. So I think Infosys benefited by both initiatives.
Yeah. No, I was just wondering whether this would prompt funds, right? Institutional money managers to say, let's move some money from our exposure and things like TCS and other IT stocks to this one, to Infosys. You think the numbers might prompt money managers to do that, or you think it's too early?
I think it is. I think the stocks would be trading sideways in a trading range. I still don't see a secular trend to be there. Like there are pockets of strength, like their initiatives on big data, which is a hot area, mobility. They are putting more emphasis and capabilities in the things which are growing. But there are other parts of the business which will be de-emphasized, like application development and maintenance. That part of the business may see some softness over the next few quarters. So I think the positives and the negatives will somewhat balance off in the future. So I don't think there is an urgency for the investors to start building positions thinking it's a secular growth story. I think it is still a sideways story, but I do think the management cleanup and some focus on certain initiatives does give some tailwind to Infosys.